In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for jersey design. If you've ever tried to create a custom jersey inside Canva, you probably already know that it can get frustrating fast if you treat it like a regular social media graphic. A jersey design has to stay sharp when printed, look balanced on fabric, and keep important details like numbers, names, and logos clear and readable. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you set things up properly from the beginning. Start by creating a new design, but don't use one of the standard web-sized templates. Instead, go to Custom Size, change the unit to inches, and enter 14 inches for the width and 18 inches for the height. This gives you a larger, print-friendly working area that's much better suited for sportswear graphics. Then click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Once your workspace is ready, the next step is to bring in a jersey framework so you can visualize where your design will sit on the garment. Go to the Elements panel on the left, and in the search bar, look for terms like jersey mockup, basketball jersey layout, or soccer shirt silhouette. Choose a clean, simple, flat lay template and place it onto your canvas. This acts as a guide while you build your design, helping you position artwork across the chest and other key areas more accurately. Now it's time to start building the graphic composition. Head back into Elements and search for sports-style visual pieces, such as lightning graphics, racing stripes, gradient mesh effects, or geometric athletic patterns. Instead of relying on one graphic by itself, combine multiple elements to create a more unique and polished look. Resize them using the corner handles and arrange them carefully across the jersey template so the overall layout feels balanced and intentional. After that, add your team initials or player numbers by opening the text panel and inserting a text box. Choose a bold, athletic-looking font, such as League Spartan, Anton, or Montserrat Bold. Then adjust the color so it strongly contrasts with the background. Bright tones like electric orange or neon yellow can work really well when you want the numbers to stand out clearly from a distance. Once everything looks the way you want, delete the jersey mockup guide so only the actual artwork remains. Then move your elements around slightly and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is centered and lined up cleanly. Finally, go to Share, then Download, and choose PNG as your file type. If you have Canva Pro, turn on transparent background so your design exports without the blank backdrop. Set the resolution to 2x for a sharper final result, then download the file, and that's it. You now have a clean, high-resolution jersey design ready for print. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the